Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove pixels. I just want you to follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go and open a browser here. In that case it's going to be Google Chrome, and then I need to go to this link here which it says business.facebook. Go to business.facebook.com/settings, and now from here go down a little bit until you can find data sources and then click on it, and here choose pixels. And now go here and remove access. Click on this button and click on confirm to remove the access on it. And also remove this one by clicking on the brush button over here. And here make sure that there's no any kind of partners or connected assets has the access to it. And then click on open in Advanced Manager and head to the settings. And now just scroll down until you can see the button that says set up direct integration. In here, if you can see a button over here, just click on it to remove the access, but if not, that means that you're successfully completed the task. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.